everyone! Today I'm excited to share a new recipe that I just learned. It's really flavorful and very convenient to make. If you're tired of your usual fried chicken to chicken adobo, then this will be a good option. The tasty combination of soy sauce, wine, and sesame oil with a hint of spice from chili, it's really yum. It's spicy chicken. So I have here around 400 grams of chicken that's cut into pieces. We'll marinate this first. Let's add the garlic. Then a tablespoon of soy sauce. A tablespoon of dark soy sauce for the color. A tablespoon of cooking wine. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then give that a dash of ground pepper. Then around 2 tablespoons of flour, so this will thicken the sauce later on when cooked. Give that a good mix so all the chicken are properly coated. And then lastly, mix a half tablespoon of sesame oil. For the chicken to absorb all the flavors, we'll marinate this for an hour before cooking. So now we're going to stir fry and braise the chicken. Additional ingredients that we need are ginger, bell pepper, spring onions, spicy chili according to your preference, sugar, water, and oil or butter. So let's begin by heating the oil and butter in medium heat. And then saute the ginger. We want to infuse the oil with all that aroma. And then now we'll add the bell pepper, the chilies, and the spring onion. But we'll leave the leafy part of the spring onion because we'll add that last later. And then let's add the marinated chicken. We're going to fry this for around 5 minutes. So now it's time to braise the chicken, so let's add half cup of water. We're going to simmer this for 15 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. If it gets too dry, you can add more water. And then let's add the sugar to balance the taste. And then lastly, add the remaining spring onions. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment and subscribe if you want to see more. Happy cooking!